It's time to learn. It's time for fun. The school bell rings. The day's begun. Fun facts with Sam and Billy. Learning and laughter. Oh, what a thrilly. Sam's got the facts and Billy's got the fun. Put 'em together and the fun's begun. Fun facts with Sam and Billy.
Hi, Billy.
Hiya, Sam.
You look like you've been busy this morning.
Yeah, I was playing with my neighbor's dog. It was running in circles and wagging its tail so fast.
Did you know that when a dog wags its tail like that, it's because it's happy?
Really? Then my toy dog must be grumpy.
Why do you say that?
Because it never moves.
Maybe it just needs batteries.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to make sure you don't miss new episodes of Fun Facts with Sam and Billy.